In this video, we're going to show you how to find the best Shopify apps for your store without overspending. The Shopify App Store offers thousands of apps that can help you improve your store, automate tasks, increase sales, and enhance the customer experience. From email marketing and product reviews to inventory management and shipping solutions, there's an app for almost every business need. However, installing too many apps or choosing expensive tools with overlapping features can quickly increase your monthly costs without providing much additional value. The good news is that by evaluating apps carefully before installing them, you can build a powerful Shopify store while keeping your expenses under control. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose the right apps, compare your options, and avoid paying for features you don't actually need. So, let's get started. The first method is to identify your store's specific needs. Before browsing the Shopify App Store, make a list of the problems you want to solve. For example, you may need email marketing, customer reviews, live chat, inventory management, and upselling features. Having clear goals makes it much easier to select the right app and avoid unnecessary purchases. Next, compare multiple apps before making a decision. Review each app's ratings, customer reviews, pricing, features, and update history. Look for apps with strong support, regular updates, and features that match your business requirements. Avoid selecting an app simply because it has the largest number of features. Instead, choose the one that provides the tools you actually plan to use. Another useful strategy is to take advantage of free plans or free trials. Many Shopify apps offer basic features at no cost or provide trial periods that allow you to test the app before committing to a paid subscription. This gives you an opportunity to verify compatibility with your store before spending money. You should also avoid installing multiple apps that perform the same task. For example, having 2 email marketing apps or 2 review apps may create unnecessary costs and increase the complexity of your store. Choose one solution that best fits your workflow. Finally, review your installed apps regularly. As your business grows, some apps may no longer be necessary, while Shopify may introduce built-in features that replace third-party solutions. Removing unused apps can help reduce monthly expenses and improve overall store performance. In most situations, these simple practices are enough to help you build an efficient and cost-effective Shopify store. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, identify the features your store actually needs. Second, compare apps carefully by reviewing features, pricing, ratings, and support. And third, avoid duplicate apps and regularly remove tools you no longer use. Remember that the best Shopify app isn't always the most expensive or the one with the longest feature list. Choosing apps that solve real business problems while keeping costs under control will help your store remain efficient, scalable, and easier to manage as it grows. And that's how to find the best Shopify apps for your store without overspending. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.